process mining versus BI versus task mining versus automation. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to tell you a story that will help you understand the difference between Power BI, process mining, task mining and automation in the simplest way possible. It's a story about a company called Brightcart, a successful online retailer that was slowly drowning in customer complaints. The mystery of the mining orders. Power BI enters the scene. Brightcart's customers kept shouting, "My order is late. Why was my refund delayed? Why is the process so slow?" The CEO called her analytics team and asked what exactly is going on. So the BI team opened their dashboards. Average delivery time 6 days, refund cycle time 15 days, SLA compliance 67%. Great numbers, but the CEO did not understand why the delays were happening. The BI dashboards were like a diagnosis with no explanation. They showed what happened but not why. BI was helpful, but it was not the answer. The hidden path of process mining joins in. Frustrated, the CEO brought in a process mining team. Their job to uncover the actual path every order followed inside the company. When they connected the data from SAP Salesforce and the warehouse systems, something shocking appeared on the screen. There were 87 different variants of the same process. Some orders flowed smoothly, others were stuck in approval loops, some had unnecessary checks, a few were rerouted back to the warehouse twice. For the first time, Brightcart could actually see the process as it really happened. That's the power of process mining. It reveals the real path, the bottlenecks, the rework, the exceptions, and the root cause. BI showed the results. Process mining showed the truth, the human side of problem. Task mining appears, but the story wasn't over. The process mining team kept asking, why were some manual tasks taking 2 hours? Why were approvals inconsistent? Why did refund agents take different paths? To find the answers, they deployed task mining on employee desktops. What it revealed was eye-opening. Some agents manually copied order IDs between 3 different systems. Others downloaded Excel sheets and merged them manually. And few employees were switching between 9 screens to approve 1 refund. Some repetitive tasks were eating 2 hours daily per employee. This was not a process issue. This was a task level human interaction issue. Task mining uncovered the work behind the work. So, from discovery to action, automation saves the day. Now Brightcart had BI, the symptoms, process mining, the process truth, task mining, the task level reality. But insights alone does not solve problems. That's when automation came in. They built a bot to copy IDs between systems, auto approval for low risk refunds, auto triggered alerts for SLA violations, automated reconciliation scripts for finance. The result, refund cycle time dropped from 15 days to 5 days. On-time delivery improved from 67% to 92%. Employees saved 1.5 hours per day. Customer complaints dropped dramatically. Automation acted on the insights. It fixed the root causes that BI, process mining, and task mining had uncovered. So, moral of the story: if BI tells you what happened, process mining tells you why it happened, task mining shows you how people work, and automation ensures the problem don't happen again. Together they form a complete transformation loop. So, next time someone asks you what's the difference between BI, process mining, task mining and automation, tell them the story of Brightcart. Because understanding technology easy, understanding the story behind technology is what makes you a transformation leader.